I want to take a moment to share with you our large fidget spinner. I teach middle school and fidget spinners are huge, and so we set out to make the school's largest or hugest fidget spinner. So here's our example. I thought you'd check it out. We simply made it out of some scrap wood and a large bearing we had setting around, and now we have the school's largest fidget spinner. So go ahead and comment below and hopefully maybe make an attempt to make your own super large fidget spinner.